Oh my God. First of all, Bangalore, you're always so generous and so sweet to me. Thank you so much. I'm very happy to be back, and this weekend is very special because, like, I feel so special that I feel so happy that two projects that are so close to my heart have kind of are coming out so close to each other. So yesterday, Mismatch was out. If you haven't watched it, please watch it on Netflix. And today I'm here with a book, so thank you so much.
So, Prajakta, first of all, congratulations on Mismatched as well as Too Good to Be True.
Thank you, Rashmi.
Yes, completely. Promise you, it is going to be a bestseller. You guys are going to love it. I have had the opportunity to read it. Very lucky I am. It is fantastic. Please pre-order, huh? It's already on pre-order. Okay, so Prajakta, you are a blogger, you're a content creator, you're an actor, you're a climate change activist, and now you're an author. So how are you able to do all this? What drives you?
I honestly don't know. I don't have an answer for this. I really wish I did because I get this question so often. I don't have an answer. Honestly, my favorite part about my job is that not one day is like another. Like, for example, yesterday we were releasing Mismatched. Today I'm here with you. Tomorrow I'm going to be walking a ramp with someone very special that you love. I didn't say it. On Monday, I'm doing something else. Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm shooting again something fun. So I like that there's so much monotony and not one day is like another. And I think that is where all of this stems from. I think in general, I enjoy doing multiple things at the same time. It's chaotic, but it's fun.
Are you planning to conquer the world next?
Only time can tell.
So among the many hats that you wear, which one makes you the happiest and why?
I think the term creator kind of I resonate with the most because that kind of covers a lot of the bases that cross paths when it comes to my career. So I think being a creator is what I enjoy the most.
Okay. And does writing come a close second?
100%, na? Like in creating, to that only, that is how I started. When I started making content, I realized that I like writing the most because I used to love making characters and I used to love making characters. I used to love writing characters and I used to love writing shorter sketches. So I think that was very exciting to me.
Okay. So coming to the book, Too Good to Be True, what's the story behind the leap? Did you always want to write a book or was it a spontaneous decision? Talk us through your journey. What happened? How was the writing process? Anecdotes, editing process? Tell us all.
So I was very young, like I was in 4th standard when my father kind of urged me that I should start journaling. And I started enjoying that a lot. So I would come home from school every single day and I would sit down and I would write in my diary about what happened at school and what happened with my friends and the good days and the happy days. So I actually have like stacks of books that I've filled ever since I was... How old are you when you're in 4th standard? 9 years old. Till I was about like 12th, so about in my 12th grade. So lots of that. Then I started writing a blog every time I would travel. Then with YouTube, I started writing like whatever content sketches I was doing. And then in the lockdown, since I got a lot more time to sit at home, I realized that I want to write more because I think it's challenging, but at the same time, it's one of the most rewarding things I get to do with my work. So I started writing a few ideas. मैंने कहा कि okay, चलो, I want to make, like, what if someday I make a film? Like write a film or like write a show. I want to do long form content. I want to do episodic content. That's how it started. The idea for Too Good to Be True actually came to me as a show idea, but I liked it so much, it was so exciting to me that I kind of told the team that let's not put a writer's room together yet. Let me see what I can do with it. But I'd never written a screenplay or a pitch document for a story before. So the only way of writing that I knew when it came to telling a story was to make journal entries. So I started writing dual POV journal entries for my two characters that are Aman and Avni. And a few chapters in, like a few entries in, the team was like, listen, this looks a lot like a book. Like, do you want to try doing it? And never in 100 years did I ever plan on writing a book. I think it's too daunting a task to tell yourself that, okay, chal, come now, let's write a book. So that's actually how it started on a whim. And I'm just very, very surprised that I got through with it.
And how about the editing process? Did you enjoy that too?
I'm sure a lot of people here write, no? When does the rewriting stop? Right? You know what? I had to stop reading. Like, I had to stop reading the drafts. I've actually gone to my Google Documents and deleted things because I would keep going back to reading them and then change my mind. Also, this is the longest writing I've done. I started writing in the March of 2023. I finished the first draft in the April of 24, and then we kept editing till like last Friday. So it has just not, you know, like my editor had to tell me that Paulomi, who's my editor, who's extremely patient, I'm so grateful for her. She had to literally tell me that now you can't change because it's gone to press. Like I was editing till the night before. It was tough. Also, because it's my first time, I don't have a process in my mind. Like I do not know how to go about this. Everything is freaking me out at this point. The fact that I met you this morning and you told me you've read it, I've overthought that all through afternoon before I got here. So in general, I'm very, very nervous. And I think the only way any calm can come to this is when the book comes out. And if you read, please read. And tell me what you think about it. Then maybe I'll have some perspective.
Let me tell you, you have absolutely no need to be nervous. Being a, rom-com addict, a fan, I fell in love with her book. I mean, the characters are to die for. I wish I could tell you more, but I can't because it's a secret right now. But I have fallen in love with one of the characters already. The wit
His
is
name
amazing.
is Aman Raina,
Yes.
and I love that Rashmi met me today and she was like, I want Raina. I was like, yes! That's what a romance
The
book needs
humor
to do.
is great, just like what you see on her Instagram reels, like she'll get you laughing. That's exactly how the book is. You will be chuckling away throughout the book. The wit is fantastic. You have absolutely nothing to worry about. I'm telling you, it's the next big bestseller.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's dive into the world of Too Good to Be True. From its blurb, it sounds fun, fresh, very feel-good, and most importantly, relatable. So tell me why, not from my perspective, from your perspective, why you think people should read this book.
Do you all read romance? Yes. Okay. Like romance or like romance? Okay, good. For me, honestly, as a huge romance fan myself, every time I would start writing something that was romantic, I would constantly feel this pressure to find quirks in a character. Like what's weird about this girl, or like what's quirky about this guy, or like why is he different? And that never inspired me to actually go through with any of it. What I love, honestly, about building characters for stories is to find things that are extremely normal, that are extremely simple, that you could see in almost everyone around you. I think there's this beauty in, and Rashmi doesn't want me to say the word ordinary, but I think there's a lot of beauty in the ordinary, and I think there's a lot of beauty in the simplicity of things. So that's where I've kind of been leaning on with the book. It's a very simple book. It's written in very short sentences, small words, no big words. Because a lot of times on my Kindle, I keep double pressing to know what this actually means. And the dictionary tells me, and I was like, whoever reads my book, I don't want them to do that. So it's very, very simple language. But they're two beautiful characters. I mean, I fell in love with Aman Raina, and I think Avni is stunning as a person. So it's a simple telling of two very beautiful people. And I feel like if you give it a chance, you might just enjoy it. That is why you should read my book.
So one obvious question, why romance? Why not any other genre?
Because I don't read any other genre. I haven't read any other genre. Dude, like, I had a major Murakami phase at one point. And then I read Killing Commendator last. I haven't picked up a Murakami after that for some reason. But in the past 2 years, I've read almost 200 romance books, and it doesn't look like I want to stop anytime soon. But having said that, ever since I was a child, I've been such a huge fan of romance, which is why Mismatch is so special to me, because it's a book. Because it's from Sandhya Menon's romance book. The book is called When Dimple Met Rishi. I am Dimple, which is just mad for me, honestly. I have grown up on Bollywood romances. I am all in for the cliches, for the aspirations, for the hope and faith and unrealistic expectations in general. I'm all for it. Nothing makes me want to pick up a book or watch a movie. I mean, let's be serious. All the movies that Netflix is uploading on Christmas every year are the same. But I watch all of them. I know how they start, I know how they end, and that's the same with books. I mean, after you read 200 romance books, you know how it's going to go. And I'm pretty sure with my book also, if you're a romance fan, you'll pick it up, you know कि कैसे होने वाला है, क्या होने वाला है, and I'm fine with that. But just that magic of believing in something, irrespective of knowing how it's going to turn out, is, I think, beautiful for me. So I don't read anything else, plus I don't want to write anything else. Romance because I want to write romance. I also love Dimshi.
Now, after reading Too Good to Be True, you love Avni. So, and just to get back to what you were saying about romance, that everybody knows क्या होने वाला है, but वो कैसे होता है, that's where the magic lies. Okay? And speaking of magic, we all know that you've created a lot of magic across platforms. This is a special platform. We have a very special audience. So why not make this moment also magical by revealing the book cover? So can I please request to please bring the book?
Have you all seen the book cover by any chance? Will you all pretend like you're seeing it for the first time? Thank you. How far have you all reached on the season? Finished it this afternoon? Last night? Okay, good. Have you all pre-ordered my book? Yes! Okay, good. Otherwise, HarperCollins is going to be so upset with me. Like, she went on stage and spoke out a mismatch the whole time. Thank you. That's my turn. Okay, ready? Please, okay. I'll tell you what. So this is Avni. That's Aman. It's just a coincidence that it looks like me and Rishank, who's my fiance. I swear, you know, so many people ask me, like, is Aman actually Rishank? And I'm like, no. When you read Aman, you'll know he's not. The only thing common between them is that they both have brown eyes and dimples. And that's only because I have a thing for brown eyes and dimples. This is a tissue from Bombay Bound, which is the bookstore that the book is set up in. Avni works there part-time, and she's obviously. This is a Polaroid from Mussoorie, and this is a Hindustan Contessa, which you can't tell, but it is. And yeah, there's a... Oh, okay. Can we turn this around? Okay. I feel like such a teacher, dude. And this is them again. This is a bottle of aftershave. You'll know why there's such a big bottle of aftershave on the cover when you read the book. And yeah, this is another postcard from Mussoorie. But that's it. I really hope you read it, though. I really hope, because I can't wait to hear what you think about it when you actually do. That's it. That's the cover.
We have 10 minutes left in the session. So if you want to go for a Q&A, now would be nice.
We have 10 minutes left in the session, so if you want to go for a Q&A now would be nice.
I have one more question. Actually, two more questions. Fatafat, and then we will move on. So let's get real now. No diplomatic, polite answers allowed. Tell us very honestly, how much of the romance was inspired by your own life?
None of it.
And how much is pure fiction.
All of it is pure fiction. Like I said, the
100%.
only thing real is that Aman has brown eyes and dimples. That's it. Otherwise, Aman is nothing like any boy in my life. Not that there are many, there's only one. But I'm saying any boy I know in my life.
Okay, since we don't have much time, last question. I'm going to put you in a spot here. Dimple from Mismatched or Avani from Too Good to Be True?
I'm gonna say Avni. Avni from Too Good to Be True is my favorite character. But I love being Dimple. So,
Good answer, good answer. Okay, now we'll take questions from the audience.
oh
Can we
good.
have somebody to pass around the mic, please?
Turn it on. Can you turn it on for her, please?
Yeah, I
Ah.
think this is working.
Hi.
Hello, a big fan. My name is Harshita.
Hi,
and
Harshita.
I'm an aspiring content creator too. Are you ever scared that you're going to run out of things to say, run out of content? in
All the
general?
time. I've been scared since 2017.
Oh my god.
That was the time I hit my first content block, and I've been scared ever since. But that's a good thing only. It keeps you on track.
Makes sense. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Harshita. Sir, that is why I have written the book. I am creating casting opportunities for myself.
Okay, next question.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
What made you think of the title of the book? Too Good to Be True.
Tell me your name.
Sejal.
Sejal. It's because I think Aman Raina is too good to be true.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's because Prashank is too good to be true?
He's not. He's beautiful. Hello? I'm marrying him. He's the best. But like I said, there is nothing common between Prashank and Aman. But when you do end up meeting Aman, you realize that one of the biggest issues that Avni has, because of the way that her life has been, is that she is constantly waiting for the other shoe to drop with him.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank
and
you,
we love
Sejal.
you. We
Thank
love you so much.
Thank you. I'm so glad. Thanks so much.
Hi Prajakta, I'm
Hi.
Sayukta.
You are Sayukta? Hi.
I want to become a content creator because of you. And I
What's your
started
channel called?
Sayukta Shekhawat, my name.
Sayukta Shekhawat?
Shekhawat. Yeah, I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. Yeah, and I wanted to ask that do you have any advice on writing content? Oh, my hands are literally shaking right now.
Any advice on writing content?
and, yeah, making
What
content.
is your genre of content?
I want to make short films and like stuff like that.
So in general, just writing
Yeah,
stories.
Yeah.
I think what helped me get over, because you know when you write something, you end up being the first person to critique it and kind of sometimes even be ashamed of it, not be okay with sharing it. I think with writing you have to be shameless is what I've realized. You cannot sit in a place judging what you're doing, and you cannot hold it too close to your heart also. So I think put it out, whatever it is, good, bad, ugly, let it all go out. And I think once you get into that cycle, you reach that point of balance where you know what you like making and what your audience likes watching. So that sweet spot kind of you have to go through to reach.
Okay, thank you so much. And
Thank
say hi
you.
to Ma and Baba from
Huh?
my side. Say hi to uncle and auntie from my side.
Oh, I will.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, Sayukta.
Hi,
Let's-
Prajakta. I'm here.
Hi.
Firstly, hi,
Hi.
and I love you.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Samiksha.
Hi, Samiksha.
I just want to say you that I love you a lot. I don't have any questions.
Thank you.
I love you. I wish you all the luck
Thank
for this
you.
book. And she's my friend Ria.
Hi, Ria.
We just came here to just see you because we are like big fans of you.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Thanks so much.
And all the best. I just finished watching Mismatch. It's lovely.
Well done. Thank you.
I don't want to give out spoilers, but
Don't.
Yes, I will not.
Also, if you have not watched the show, don't go on my Instagram in the evening today, okay?
Yes. Too much coming out on
Yeah,
Instagram.
there's a lot.
I love you.
Thank you, Samiksha.
Let's take more questions from the back, please.
Hi, Prajakta here.
Hi.
Hi, Shruti here.
Hi, Shruti.
So, first of all, I love you.
Thank you.
You are the reason I started reading romance books.
Hey.
Actually,
Have you gone deep down that rabbit hole by now?
Actually.
Yeah.
Because I was reading Twisted series with you. So,
Okay,
yeah.
good. Did you
So-
read Striker? That's her latest.
Not yet. I was
Okay.
I was too busy obsessing over mismatch. So,
Fair enough.
so my only question is, can we expect more books from you?
You know, this is by far one of the most challenging things I've done in my life. So if I have to do this all over again, I'm really going to have to sit down and think about it. Honestly, I have ideas. I've written down ideas that I have for books, but hopefully, it also depends on how this one does. Honestly, a lot of my
That I'm
self-esteem
sure
is
is
going to
going to do
ride
very
on
well.
that.
I too wish this one does great.
Thank
Amazing.
you. Thank you, Shruti.
Thank you.
Okay, let's take some
Hello.
Questions at the back. Yes.
Hi, friend here.
Hi.
Hi. Nothing to say actually. I wanted to speak to you, and my name is Sonu.
Your name is?
Sonu.
Hi, Sonu.
The thing is, I haven't read any book yet till now.
Of anyone.
Now,
You've never read a single book?
no.
What?
But the thing is, I'm still a student. My books are enough for whatever reading. I can't take load of reading
Like
these
you've not
books.
even read like comics?
Comics, no. Movies,
Like Archie's, Tinkle, none of that.
nope.
Sonu. Bro.
The thing is, last year I wanted to actually start reading books, but then I came to know that you are going to write a book. So I wanted to make it special actually.
Okay. So you should have started with this, na then. You
I
said
was
everything.
about
I thought you were going to tell me ki. So now that you're writing a book, when is it going to get adapted? Because I'm not going to read your book.
No.
Or is there going to be an audio book? I thought that is where this question is going.
Not
so
like
you'll
that.
read, na?
I want your book to be the first thing I
really
have
love
to
it.
read.
Okay, good. Okay, good. I'm so
Thank you.
happy you never read anything else before this.
And I love you, ma'am. The moment you enter the stage, I don't know, I started crying by seeing you. Not like that. I wanted to see you. I wanted to see you in person from a very long time. And the moment I saw you, I don't know, I got tears in my eyes.
That's very sweet, Sonu. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Thank you. I can't wait to hear what your first book is like.
Thanks.
Please pass the
Hey,
mic to
We will also, I'll come to the back also. Yes. If we
Hey.
could just keep one mic here and send one behind.
Please.
Hi, Prajakta.
Where are you?
Yeah, I'm here. Hi.
Hi.
Shlagha this side. Shlagha.
Shlaka.
Shlagha.
Shlaka.
Shlagha.
Shlaka.
Shlagha, yeah.
Hey.
Hi. So I got a... So
You did?
mostly Varanasi, I have that page and I...
You are mostly saying Varanasi?
Yeah, I'm that one only.
You've been missing for a bit.
Yeah, I know. I'm not keeping up because I got to work here in
Okay,
Bangalore.
that's fine.
So
That's fine.
there.
That's okay.
But I really good to see you here. And
It's so nice to meet you, dude.
Same here, same here. And I have just one question.
Yes.
I'm really missing Montu.
Yeah,
Please do maybe a review of the book by,
Hey,
you know.
that's not a bad idea.
Yeah, Montu reading the book and maybe some collab between maybe Avni and the Montu. What are their thoughts?
Actually, Montu giving a review of the book is not a bad idea.
Yeah, we can do that.
I can do that.
Yes,
Thanks for the
please.
idea. I'm going to
Yeah.
use that.
Love.
Perfect. Love. All right.
I'm here. Here.
Here will not help me, na? To my right. Oh, there. Hi.
Hi. I'm a big fan. I've been watching
thank
your
you.
videos.
You'll tell me your
since
name one more time. I missed it.
Srivatsini.
Srivatsini.
Yeah. I've been watching your videos since that colorful background in the back in your old house. And
Thank
so that's
you.
like 10 years ago, but
Yeah.
I'm a huge fan.
Thank you.
And it's been so nice to see you in every platform. And I just wanted to ask you if you had to write any other romance trope other than the one that you have written, Too Good to Be True on, what would it be?
Enemies to lovers.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice to, yeah.
This is more of a will they, won't they, love at first sight situation. But there's this one idea I've been sitting on for a while, which is a really fun enemies to lover thing.
So book 2.
I hope.
Maybe.
I hope if I ever
We're
get
waiting,
the guts.
Prajakta. We're here. Book 2.
Book
we're
2.
ready.
We'll get that to the bestseller list too.
Okay, done. Thank you.
Thank
Thanks, Srivatsini.
Hello.
Hi. What's your name? Hi, Anushka.
Can somebody give her the mic, please?
Yeah, you can have mine. We can share one.
Wait, this mic.
Oh, there's one.
Oh, I got it.
Hi Prajakta, I'm
Hello.
Anushka and I'm a die-hard fan of yours.
Thank
I've
you.
been following you, I think, for the past 8 to 9 years. And I'm so lucky that I'm talking to you in person.
No, thank you.
So I have I think you've already answered part of it, but I have also started writing. But I have realized that it's a really torturous process, right? And
Let's call it challenging. That's the positive term.
Definitely, definitely. So my only question is that when do you stop, sort of judging your own work and put it outside and maybe open for others to read?
I think for me, I realized that I am one mind with one perspective, and I am barely making it through life. I know most people around me are smarter than me, read more than me, go out more often, so in general, just spend more time in meeting more people, and just different perspectives in general. I think when you realize that no matter how much you want to micromanage everything you're doing, the lack of perspective is not going to help you break it through. So just having faith, having just a little bit faith in yourself and a lot of faith in the process as a writer generally is useful. Also, it's art, right? It's so subjective. Like one person's great is other person's shit, and that's fine. That's totally fine. I think if the minute you stop judging it, it doesn't matter what everyone else beyond the point says. Unless they love it, then it matters.
Thank you so much, and one day I'll definitely share my work with you.
You'll share your
Work, my poetry.
I would love to. What, you write poetry?
Yes.
Oh, that's beautiful. Is there a page on Instagram where I can check it? What's it called?
It's @grounded soul.
@grounded soul.
Yeah.
Everybody please follow.
A grounded soul. Thank you so
A
much.
grounded soul.
Yes.
Got it.
Okay, everyone,
Hello?
I'm so sorry we can't take any more
Can we take one
questions.
last?
Okay, the
Then
last.
I'll leave.
The very
Hello.
last.
Hello, Prajakta.
The very last, please.
Hello, future wife.
Sorry, what?
Hello, future wife.
Hello, future. Hi.
So we are from St. Clair College.
Okay.
And we
You
love
didn't tell me
we
your
love
names.
Upasna, Rakhi, Aradhya.
Aradhya, Upasna, Rakhi. Got it.
And we love you. We love you so, so, so much. And we have been like following you since it's been like quite a lot of time. Like before even Mismatch released and before Jug Jug Jio, before like anything. And we love you so much. And we always adore you so much.
Thank you.
And please keep posting whatever you do.
I
and
will. Oversharing is my brand. Don't worry.
Okay, we have to stop right now. We have to. No, I'm sorry, I'm
Sorry.
the villain. Please send all your hate my side, all the love that side. Thank you so much.
But listen, can I just say one last thing before
Yes,
I
of
get off
course,
the
of
stage?
course.
I've been such a ball of nerves because this has been quite a week with the book going on pre-order, with the show coming out. I've been so overwhelmed, and honestly, I was leaning on this event so much because I wanted to meet everybody that I would end up meeting, and you all have been nothing but so warm and lovely. So thank you so much. I'm going to go to sleep much happier and calmer tonight. I really needed this
Give it
for
up-
my mental
give
health.
it up for yourselves, guys.
Thank you so much.